Hi, I'm Kristen and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today I'm taking you on the tour of 144 Bloom Street in Danville, Pennsylvania. This is apartment number 2. It is on the second floor of the building. It has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. And what I'm going to do today is walk you through and show you everything about this property. And then after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place that you're definitely wanting to call home. So let's get started. So as always, we're starting the tour outside so you can take a look at the surroundings. We're in the hub of Danville today. Now there is off-street parking here. It's kind of grassy, but it is stone area, so residents can park right here. And then otherwise, if you need additional parking, you'd have to find something on the side street. Now when you get here, you're gonna go through here and you're gonna come right up the exterior steps here to the apartment. You get to the top, get a lovely view of part of Danville here. We're gonna come right in the back door. First thing you're greeted with is a really nice sized laundry room. You have connections for a washer, an electric dryer. I love the shelf, the little storage situation, and there is a closet here as well. So it makes a really nice laundry room, mudroom situation. And I also love that you can close the door too. And you've got a thumb turn lock on there. So we're gonna come into the first bedroom. This is the largest of the 2. There is more than enough room to put a king size bed in here. Plus you have these gorgeous, gorgeous hardwood floors. Take a look at the closet here. Nice standard size closet with a hang bar and a shelf. Now just across the hall here, this is slightly smaller, but I really still think that if you wanted to do a king size bed, you would just do it on the back wall there and still have room for additional furniture. And then you have your closet here again with a standard size hang bar and a shelf. So we've got 2 steps up. I'm gonna come right into here. Sizable storage closet. So there is definitely, an ability to store things away. And then you have the bathroom here. So you've got this cute pedestal sink. You've got some storage over here, mirrors for days. So you've got mirror, and then you've got mirror. There's also a little storage in here as well, tub and shower. And then there are some shelves back here for additional storage. The attic will remain locked, so you will not have access to that part of the property. Now out here, you have your main living area. It's kind of long, it's a little triangular, but there's plenty of room to set up a really nice area for your main living space. You can certainly do, a cute couch or something right over here, put your entertainment center over here, or even put an entertainment center over here and kind of angle a couch over here. So that way, you can have it set up for your needs. You don't have to have a TV. You can kind of do whatever you want to. But the nice thing about this space is nice tall ceiling, and the windows and the natural light really give it this open, airy vibe. And last but not least, we're going to come into the eat-in kitchen. This is massive. You could easily fit a large dining room table in here. You could also do additional furniture in here. And then you have this beautiful bank of cabinets with full-size refrigerators. I love that everything matches and goes together. And there is just a lot of opportunity to set this beautiful apartment up for your needs. So if you love everything that I just showed you and you're ready to move forward, here's how you make it happen. You're going to go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You're going to look in our listings and be able to find all the information about this property. You're going to be able to book your tour, and you will even be able to submit your application. If you'd like to talk with somebody at the office, give us a call at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So get on the website, give us a call today, because I don't know if you can tell, I am anxious to help you make this your home.